know, you look at this product, it is so iconic. It has become so famous that I don't even have to tell you what it is. You already know, it's the Roomba. Roomba has patented dirt detect technology. You push a button, Roomba does the rest. It actually is programmed to clean your home even better than a traditional vacuum cleaner. That's what's so exciting about it. It's not just that it's effortless. It's not just that I don't have to ever push a vacuum again for the rest of my life. What's really exciting about the Roomba is the fact that it cleans my home better. And it cleans because of that dirt detection technology. It cleans because it has a 3-stage cleaning process that is built in. I don't have to store anything. This is it. It puts itself right into its little charger, puts itself part into part. We're including for you today a virtual wall, which means that you can section off any kind of room you might want to. That typically is not included. It is the best price that we plan to do for the rest of the year. It is the best price anywhere in the country, and it is, without question, in my personal opinion, the best way to clean your home. Leah Little is joining us from her home. I'll show you the value before we go to her though, because typically what you would spend for this, $269.99 out in the marketplace. We're taking $40 off of that, and we're throwing in your virtual wall barrier, a $60 value right there. So basically you're saving $100 with this deal today. It truly is one of the best values I have seen us do when it comes to the Roomba. And this Roomba is bigger and better than ever. It holds more dirt than ever before in its little canister. It also has that patented technology. And Leah, we're gonna show you some great ways to clean, but all you have to do is push this right there, and you have a way to clean your home. What I love about it, it's not just that it's easy, it's that it cleans better than a traditional vacuum cleaner in a lot of different ways.
It's so true, and we're going to show you exactly that. So welcome to our home. Little Dallas is joining us. He just woke up from a nap, so he'll be hanging out with us with the Roomba. And Alice, we've been making so many messes, so I think what I'm going to do first of all to show you is we're going to empty out the bin, because right now it's pretty full of a lot of things that we've been cleaning up around here. And welcome to my home. This is kind of how we roll. Darren is actually helping us behind the camera. We have a few of our goodies here when it comes to our, things from the Girl Scouts, little stickers, little eyeballs. These are kind of the things that you would find around the house. So I thought I would make this super personal, because this is what we do with the Roomba. And what I'm going to do is press the spot clean. And you're waking up, aren't you, Pop? He's been sleeping all morning. Come here. Let me hold you. Let me hold you. Come here. And notice as the Roomba is going into the spot cleaning, it picks up those smaller pieces, the little dirt that's here, but it's also picking up those bigger pieces. It's picking up the confetti. It's picking up those little bows. It's picking up those googly eyes. So what's great is that as we're staying home now, it's able to really take care of that work. And even though it missed this little piece here, don't worry, it's going to come back and gobble everything up. Even though we're staying home more and, hanging out with the pets, maybe some of us are helping with the students, helping them learn at school. I know certainly we've got a lot of that going on with Victoria. What's great about the Roomba and what's great about this model is that, to your point, Alice, it does the work, and it does the work better so that you can do other things, because we got a lot going on these days. It used to be that you could just kind of leisurely sit back and enjoy your friends and family while the Roomba was going, right? But now it really is more about staying in our home and focusing on the things that need to get done, helping our kids, or in this case, maybe the dog. And now it's telling us that that spot clean is completely done. And notice how clean this is. Right down, can you see this, Alice? Look at those carpet lines. That's the suction power that we have in the Roomba. It's amazing how powerful this unit is to really give us the suction that we need. And then these little pieces here, the Roomba would go back and pick those up if we let it continue on its mission. Pretty impressive, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely, pretty impressive. I mean, to have carpet lines, that tells you the kind of power that you're getting with this Roomba. The price is the best that we intend to do for the rest of the year. It is the best in the marketplace. And this is your newest technology from Roomba as well. That dirt detection, there's 3 levels of cleaning. And the beauty of this, again, is the features that you get with Roomba don't come in vacuum cleaners that can cost twice this, that can cost 3 times this. So these are some of the features that you're seeing that 3-stage cleaning system. DualMode Virtual Wall Barrier, which means if you want to protect a little area, you don't want it cleaned, then don't clean it. You're also able to connect and schedule it from anywhere you want to. You can actually connect this with your Alexa app. You can schedule it on your phone, your tablet. If you just picked up our RCA tablet last hour, you can schedule it on that. Dual multi-surface rubber brushes, 2 brushes now. It used to be 1 brush, it's now 2. Patented dirt detect technology. The runtime, an hour-and-a-half runtime. I mean, that's tremendous, right? And you don't even have to worry about having to recharge it, although it knows when it needs to go back home and recharge. It will do all of that. It gets under the lowest of the low profiles. You will not believe where this little thing will come out of. All of a sudden, it's coming out from under your bed, and you're like, oh, I don't even want to know what was under there before. The other great part about this is the fact that all you do, again, just push, and it's gonna start cleaning. And look at the way that we have put what we like to call the torture track here, okay? Because this is what a lot of us, like Leah, is dealing with, because that little puppy sure is cute, but it's fluffy. That's a fluffy puppy, and that's gonna have a lot of fur balls all through your house. The best part is, Leah, I gave this to my parents years and years ago, okay? Years and years ago. They are still, to this day, using it. They don't own a traditional vacuum cleaner anymore. My mother wouldn't be able to push it anyway. She vacuums probably 3 times a week in the house. 3 times a week. Who would typically do that?
Exactly. When you have a Roomba, you can vacuum 3 times a week because, oh, I'm hanging out here, I'm vacuuming, and really, Dallas and I are just hanging out on our own. So when you're vacuuming, that means you're actually doing some other things. And as you can see it going to work here, it's going to go right across the room. Notice how it notices the chair. It starts to work its way around with that wall follow. And so, Alice, this is how your mom can let it go to work for 90 minutes at a time, because she can be out walking the dog or reading a book or anything else she wants to. And notice how it gets into those places. I just came around to the other side of that round chair. It's going into those places that we wouldn't always vacuum, right around the corners. That follow, usually it's wall follow, but in this case, it's following around the edges of the chair. And then it's deciding where it wants to go next. So the cool thing about the Roomba, whether your doggy wants to play with it or whether it's just on its own, is that it knows where it's going, it knows where it's been, and it knows where it wants to go next. So it may look like a random pattern as it's moving around your house, but it's actually calculating every move. There are 60 different decisions it's making every single minute with 40 different behaviors. So it knows exactly where it's going. The iAdapt technology just kicked in here as I have this billowing curtain hanging down. It didn't interact. It didn't try to pull it off the wall. It just continued on its mission across the way. Now notice it's moving from room to room. We were just in the living room. We're coming around here to the dining room, and Roomba has decided it wants to go clean the kitchen. Well, that's awesome, because I don't care which room it cleans first. I don't have to calculate. I don't have to think about where I want it to go. The Roomba has a mind of its own, and it's a robot mind. So remember, this is not a vacuum cleaner. This is a robot acting like a vacuum cleaner. So it's going to go where it wants to go, and it's going to clean what it wants to clean. And then you can choose where you want to put it. Notice it's coming right back over here because it's decided it wants to work in this area a little bit more. Looks like it's going to go back and follow the pattern. And again, it may look random because it doesn't think like you and I do. Usually we would think, okay, we want to go back and forth and we want to clean in this direction, right? But the Roomba says, I've got my own way of cleaning. I've got my own decisions to make. So it goes right up to the wall. It's going to notice that side little spinning brush as it's sweeping the motion. So all of those little dust bunnies that would be along the side here have decided they don't need to be there. Come here, Dallas. And as it gobbles up all of those little dust bunnies, what happens is that side spinning brush is doing all that work for you. So it's moving all of that dirt into those counter rotating bristles, and then all of the dirt is backed up into this large bin in the back, and it kind of acts like a trash compactor as it gobbles all that up for you. And then the oscillating wheels are what allow it to move from surface to surface. So it really is just that easy to put it to work in your home.
A lot of times, you know, we have to go and buy the hard surface floor cleaner, then we have to buy the carpet cleaner. Instead of doing any of that, you buy one thing, it has patented technology in here, so much patented technology. It is incredible how smart this is. The cleaning system is just super smart, but it can go from surface to surface to surface without having to change anything whatsoever. So if I want to clean up around the cat dish or the dog dish, it's going to do that, and it's going to do it all by itself. I'm just standing here, I could be making my coffee and cleaning up from the mess from the day before, never ever having to take time to vacuum. I would love for somebody, and you know, Leah, you should do this at some point, all right? Or have Darren do this. Because you should figure out how much time in our lives we have spent pushing a vacuum cleaner. Because if you do it, even if you just do it once a week, every week of your life, you are pushing a vacuum cleaner. And a lot of us, it takes 30, maybe 40 minutes to vacuum the house. Never having to do that again. But not only never having to do that again, having a better way now to clean, a better way that has dirt detection, a better way that can go from surface to surface, a better way. And this, I'd love for you to speak to this, because this was a friend of mine, I was saying, oh, we're doing the Roomba coming up on Monday. And she goes, oh, I can't use it because I have fringe on my rug. I said, wait a minute. Technology has changed. You can have fringe, you can have tassels. It has a no tangle now system that means you can use it no matter what you have in your home. Even if you have, for example, wires like this, no problem whatsoever, because you never have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about corners, all of it. It gets all of it. Look at that little brush. It's so smart. I love this technology.
I do too, because it really does give you everything that you need, whether it is the anti-tangle technology, whether it's backing itself out of a corner, whether it's wall follow. I just threw down this little throw rug here in the center so that you could see it goes seamlessly from surface to surface. Again, the hardwood, whether it's tile, whether it's linoleum, it doesn't matter. And here is, to your point, Alice, you just mentioned a moment ago about a high pile rug. This is a pretty long shag rug. And again, it's going to go right onto that surface and decide where it needs to go next. Now, if you want to move it, you can move it from room to room or place to place as well. And all you do is touch that clean button. So whether you're in the kitchen, whether you're in the bedroom, whether you want to play with the dog, it's entirely up to you. And there's a lot going on. It might seem like it's just, again, randomly moving through the room, but I really want to speak to this because you're looking at patented technology here. So as it moves right onto the carpet, you'll notice how the sound changed because the suction changed. It noticed that it was going from the hardwood onto the carpeted surface. Come here, baby. Little Dallas wants to be in on the action as well. Now, as it's moving across the room here into our island bar, notice that it says, oh, it slowed down. It noticed that there was the leg of the chair, and it said, wait, I think I'm going to slow down and not bump into that. Over here, it's noticing where it wants to go as well. So it decided, you know what, I don't need to go home to the docking station right now because my work is not done here. So it's going to back off of that and continue on its mission. Let's see where it's going to go next, because this is kind of what you're going to do probably when you first get it at home. You're going to just watch it and be fascinated. And then after about 20 minutes or so, you're going to be like, you know what, we'll just let it kind of go do its thing. And that's exactly what happens. It stays on that mission until it's completely done. And now it has decided it's going toward the bedroom. Let's turn it around here and go back to the kitchen. Now, as it's going into the kitchen, notice how it will go underneath the toe pick. Because what happens in the kitchen, we just kind of redirect it here, is that it's perfectly suitable because it's less than 4 inches tall to go right underneath that little cabinet. Notice how it stayed away from the doggy bowl because you have an invisible wall that's set up over there that keeps it from going there. And in the kitchen, here it goes, all the way around and underneath the counter. And notice how it slowed down. It didn't just bump into the counter. It slowed down with that soft touch technology. And now it's decided it's going to go clean underneath this counter. Again, getting right underneath that toe pick where all those crumbs tend to gather. And now it's coming back over to this side, doing the same exact thing. And again, moving its way all the way around the room to decide how to make your house the cleanest it can possibly be.
The part is, it really will do that. because I know in my mom's house, you know, I love that she has the power to do this now, that she has the power to clean her home whenever she wants to. Because I think that at this point in her life, she's had some physical limitations, and she can't do a lot of things. She could never push a vacuum cleaner again. So they had a cleaning service that comes in every other week, right? Because they're kind of pricey. And instead of having to wait 2 weeks to have her home clean, she can now push with right here, push a button, and this thing cleans her home. And she has a combination of surfaces like most of us do, linoleum in the kitchen, and then a lot of shag carpet, and then she has a low plush type of carpet. She just sits back, and at first you do question it, right, Leah? You question it. It's like, wait, why is it going there? Why didn't it go there? Just let it do its thing, because when it goes back and it puts itself in park and goes home, you will look around and you will see the carpet lines. You will know that every single inch of your home has been covered. I've been back in the bedroom before, and all of a sudden it'll just come like in there, clean a little bit, then it'll go down the hall. It's amazing, the technology that makes it so smart. But never before a value like this, $229.99. You can pay twice this price for Roombas out in the marketplace. Look at the value we're gonna bring you. It is the best value that we intend to offer for the entire year when it comes to a Roomba. Typically, for this particular model of the iRobot Wi-Fi, and this is Wi-Fi connected, so you can use your Alexa app, you can control it from your tablet, you can start it, stop it anytime you want to. $269.99. We're taking not only $40 off of that, but then adding in the virtual wall barrier. That is not usually included. We're including that. You're getting an additional $100 worth of value when you buy it from us. We're gonna ship this right to your front door. Buy it today. This is a fabulous gift. And if you're starting to think about graduation gifts for kids who are coming out of college, gonna get their own place, I cannot recommend this any higher. I'm not sure that it picks up pizza, but it will pick up all the other dirt that they probably are not gonna want to actually have to deal with. This is, and it's so compact. That's the other great part, just so small. And that low profile means that getting, for example, underneath your bed, I mean, when's the last time you ran a vacuum cleaner under there? Because you can't possibly get it under there. You're now gonna have Roomba cleaning every surface in your home and under every piece of furniture in your home.
It's true. And even in the kitchen here, I'm going to your point, we don't have pizza to drop on the floor, but I do have a few little scraps of food here. Because I don't know about you, Alice, even when you're a really clean cook, inevitably there's things that go underneath that toe kick, right? So if I put it into, in this case, the spot mode, what's gonna happen, notice how it goes and gobbles all of that up. Whether it is little, shavings from vegetables, or whether it's crackers, or whether it's coffee grounds, whatever the case might be. In this case, it's moving in a round pattern because this is on the spot clean, and that will stay in this area until it's gobbled up. It moves around in about a 3-foot radius until it's gobbled up. Look at that, all of those little bits and pieces. And I love what you said a moment ago, that it doesn't think exactly like we think, but it will go back and do the job, and in many cases do the job better. So I don't really care what the thought process is that the Roomba is having. What I love is that it's doing that work for 90 minutes at a time, so that you can spend the time doing the things that you love and the things that you need to do now as we're staying home, we're taking care of our kids, to your point, Alice, when it comes to the college students coming home or getting their own place. This is like having an extra set of hands. And when you think about how much you would spend on just one visit from a housekeeper, it's telling us the job is done. So now we have that spot clean. I'm going to put it right back into the regular cleaning mode, because you let it do its job. Well, you go on about your day. So if you are taking care of somebody right now because our families are really pulling together, you need that extra time, to your point, when it comes to dexterity problems, you don't have to do anything, because you can even just use the scheduler. So as I'm going to let it go on its mission, notice not only can you touch the clean button, and this works with iPad, it works with Android, it works with Apple, of course, you name it. And you can even go in and not just start it, but on the scheduler, you can set Sunday, I want it to run at a certain time. Monday, I want it to run at a certain time. You choose how you want to schedule your Roomba as well. So again, all of that is inside the app. and it's super easy. You don't have to be really techy to be able to use this. You can set it, or you can just touch the button. And if you don't want to use the tablet at all with Wi-Fi, which I think is pretty handy, but you don't have to. You can just touch the button and let the Roomba do all the work for you, running for 90 minutes at a time. And almost, there you go. See what's happening? That little green button blinking? That found dirt. It stayed right here in this area because that dirt detect kicked right in. So come on over here, little guy. It's going to move back over. By the way, lots of people like to name their Roombas. So you can choose whatever name you want to have because it will work with your Alexa app. So you can use it as well, or you can use it independently on the Wi-Fi. You choose how you want to do it. Here I want to talk about iAdapt, because did you see how it adapted to its environment? It worked right into that corner. In this case, we're going to go right underneath the dishwasher. And this is standard height. This is about 4 inches standard height here when it comes to that toe kick underneath your countertop. So what's great about that is that in the kitchen, that's usually the dirtiest area, right? That's the place where you get all of those crumbs, all those little vegetables, all of those little, trimmings that fall off the countertop and end up down there, whether it's crackers or coffee grounds, you name it. What's great is that the Roomba is going to go find all of that stuff and gobble it right up. And there you go with the wall follow. Look at that. It's going right along the wall. It's going to gobble up all those goodies. And don't worry if it misses something. It'll come back and pick it up along the way because it's got 90 minutes to go and find whatever it wants to find. Notice how it's oscillating back and forth. It's using that movement to get into the nooks and crannies right down into the corner. And then it's decided, okay, we're clean over here. We're going to go to the other side. So let's just let it continue on its mission. It decides where it wants to go because it knows what it wants to clean. It's made a map of the room so it knows where it's going, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. And it just decides what to clean on its own. Here it's moving over to the pet bowl. So notice what we have set up here. This is one of the invisible walls. It's sending out a signal that gives us a 20-inch diameter that tells the Roomba not to go over to this area. So see how the Roomba is actually avoiding going over here? Because this little invisible wall is telling us, don't disturb the water, don't disturb the pet food. And it works like a charm, and it's included. Usually that's another $60 value, but you're getting it in the package today, Alice.
Exactly right. It's what we do here at HSN is we really try to bring you the best value. What you're seeing today with our Today Special is what we are doing for the rest of the year in terms of bringing you the best value on a Roomba. Even if you didn't wake up this morning and think, you know what, I'd really like to get a Roomba and never have to vacuum again. Make today the day that you do it. And here's the beauty of it. Get it home, sit back, relax, maybe, watch your favorite HSN show, and then try it. See how it cleans. Just let it do its thing, though. You will be tempted to try and move it from here and there, and you can if you want to, but you don't need to. Just let it do its thing. Look at how it goes right underneath there, comes out the other side. You will not even believe where it disappears and reappears. And let me tell you, the way it cleans, it's just so good. All surfaces, you do not have to move it from this shag carpet to this or anything else. It covers all surfaces. Today, best value anywhere in the country, including that virtual wall. Make it the day that you say, I'm not gonna clean anymore. I mean, who actually washes dishes? Would you ever make a choice again to hand wash all your dishes? Or would you just rather put them in a dishwasher? Would you ever hand wash your laundry again? It's why we have washing machines. Why are we still pushing a vacuum cleaner when you can now, if you want to have your home vacuum every single day, and it takes zero amount of your day, it takes zero amount of your effort, it takes zero amount of your time, then why in the world would you not just let Roomba do it? It's such an investment. I was listening to Guy earlier, Leah, saying that he's had his for, I think, 10 years now. I'm sure my mom has had hers, I think, 6 years. I mean, they last so long, and still, they clean as good as the day you got them.
It's so true, Alice. One of my favorite models was the 650, and this is the big sister to the 650. We still actually have that model, and we still use that model. Now you're getting a huge upgrade, and to your point, they last for so many years. I'm going to redirect it here because they don't want it to go underneath the bed. So in order to do that, I'm just kind of putting my foot in there and blocking it. So here we are in the bedroom. So whether you want it to go hidden in the corner where we started it, where it's going to go recharge itself, or whether you want it to get into all of those little areas right here as we see around the bed tables, or in this case around the dresser. Notice that on the jewelry box stands here, it's going right underneath. It's able to know what it can fit through. In this case, doesn't have enough room to get in there, but it's got enough room to get underneath, and then it'll come in through this way. And it works itself out of that conundrum, right? You're thinking, wait a minute, what's gonna happen here as that Roomba is like, I need to get out of here. Did you see what happened? It just decided, okay, I can just take a look around. It starts to move out. It's going to do it again and decide, okay, I can push through that little curtain. It knows what it can go through, like the curtain, like it can move that around, and it knows what it can't, like obviously the wall, as it's getting into that wall. Now, what I want to show you here, as it was staying in that corner, did you see how it was kind of oscillating and staying right there? That was this little side spinning brush kicking in. That's how a round Roomba fits into I just touched the button, fits into a square corner, because that little brush, that little side spinning bristle, see how it sticks out at the end? It passes into the corner and it gets you in there. Now, what's great is that all of that dirt then is whisked like a sweeper right into these counter-rotating brushes. Those counter-rotating brushes have a huge suction power. We call it AeroVac. And as the power is sucking all of that dirt, you can even see all of the hair that it's gathered, my hair, Victoria's hair already in there. You also are going to see that it works like a trash compactor. So it pulls all the dirt to the back of the bin, and then it makes room for more dirt and more dirt and more dirt, so that it really is able to keep on cleaning for that full 90 minutes with all of that suction power. On the side, you have these oscillating wheels, and those wheels are what allow it to go over the door thresholds, what allow it to move from room to room, from carpet to hardwood, you name it. And you can see how they have the sensors that actually will allow it to oscillate up and down. This little guy is a counter, and that's how the algorithm is created. That's how it knows to go from room to room, and that's actually how it knows where it's been and where it's going. And then these are the cliff detection. We only have a one-level house, but if you have stairs or if you have a second story, what's great about this is the Roomba will not fall down the stairs, will not go into that sunken living room, because it knows, it will sense that it has the detection of an open floor surface, so it will not fall down. So what's great about it is that it decides where it wants to go, in this case, over to the edge of the mirror. And did you see that carpet line? Look at that straight path. That's the suction power that the Roomba has. There's so much power happening on the underneath, because it's not defying gravity. It's not having to pull something up through a long tunnel and, again, pull it off the ground. What's great is that it's right there at that ground surface, so it can do its most powerful work right here. And it's going to go underneath that bed. So I think I'm going to just redirect it before we lose it. I'll turn it around, and let's send it back out into the living room. Notice, by the way, as we send it back out there, it goes straight from carpet right onto the hardwood. And in this case, it's decided it's not done cleaning this room. So it's going to come back over here and work its way down the hallway. That's what I love about the Roomba. It doesn't clean like we might clean, but it's going to do that work for you, and it's going to keep on doing that work for up to 90 minutes. So here it is down the hallway. Now, you can use the invisible wall if you wanted to block off a room, but in this case, we just shut the door and let the Roomba continue on its mission. I don't know if you can see, but as this is probably the third pass today through this small little hallway, look at how the carpet has literally been left with an impression of just how powerful that suction is. It's bringing up all of that dirt, and again, bringing it to the surface, acting like that trash compactor, bringing it to the back of the bin, and it's going to stay here. If it feels like there's more dirt, it's going to stay in that area and oscillate. This is not a random pattern. It knows how to gather that dirt and how to keep on moving, so that it's going to be able to give you that cleaner, healthier home every day.
You know, Leah, I think one of the biggest misconceptions about the Roomba is people think that this is something that you're going to do in between when you use your upright, okay? Because it's not powerful enough. That's the biggest misconception. This replaces you're upright. You do not need another vacuum cleaner if you have the Roomba. Roomba cleans that well. We're gonna show you my favorite demonstration actually right here in the studio, because I think that a lot of times you see demonstrations of $500 vacuum cleaners, and what do? They pick up things that you can't see, right? We're gonna show you a demonstration because that's what you really need to understand, that Roomba has incredible, incredible technology in it that not only, well, with the dirt detection and everything else, but also it is about the suction, it is about the cleaning power. So I'm gonna show you right now, this is the bin right here. And by the way, this does have filtration as well. If you want to pick up extra filters, we have those available. If you want to pick up extra brushes, we also have those available. So you can ask about those and add those into your order. So as you can see, completely empty, okay? And then all you do is you push this right back in here, and then we're gonna get it started. And it looks like a clean rug. Looks like a perfectly clean rug. And you're gonna see what Roomba is able to do. That's why, don't think that this isn't gonna give you the power that you want. Don't think that you're gonna have to use this in between when you use your really heavy duty upright. This is your replacement for your upright. This is all my mom uses in her home. She loves it and she uses it constantly. So if she wants to vacuum every single day, she can do that. All you do is push the button. There is just no more effort required. Why do we have to spend so many years of our lives vacuuming the floor, pushing a vacuum cleaner? You do not have to anymore because Roomba is gonna do it for you. But Roomba will enable you to, if you wanna have a clean carpet, a clean hardwood floor, a clean linoleum floor, a clean kitchen floor, if you wanna have it every single day, run it every single day. There's literally no downside to it whatsoever. It recharges itself. So you don't have to do anything except push the button. You can have your home vacuum every day without any effort whatsoever. So I'm gonna have Roomba is gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna show you now what Roomba was able to pick up that we couldn't even see. And again, it's such easy technology. It's technology, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Are you ready? Okay, let me pull this little black piece out here so you can see it. Look at what Roomba picked up. When I say this is a replacement for your upright, this is a replacement for your upright. Am I correct about that, Leah?
Absolutely. It does the work for you. Not only a replacement in terms of the manpower, but also a replacement for the time that you would spend doing that. And you just showed us all the dirt that you picked up, right? Let's just do a little head-to-head comparison with some of the dirt we've been picking up here at the house this morning. Look at this. Whether it is the vegetables from the kitchen or the little confetti that we had, all the goodies that we have around the house, all of that picked up by the Roomba. And to your point, Alice, if you compare it to the way you vacuum every day, it really is that paradigm shift, right? You're going to realize that you don't have to push around that vacuum. And when you start getting that time back to your day, when you realize you could be, walking the dog, or you could be maybe homeschooling your children or helping the teachers out with some of those lessons, what's great is that you realize you've got all that time back. So the Roomba can really not only do the job, but do the job better, do it in a way that gives you the freedom to do the things that you want to do. And in this case, even with the larger pieces here, like this is literally stuff from our home, the googly eyes and the change and the veggies from the kitchen, but even down to those smaller little dust particles as well. Because those dust particles are what, so many times you walk into a room and you're cleaning your shoes on a carpet, right? You walk into your house from the outside and you're bringing all of that dirt with you. Well, what's great is that the Roomba is able to get right down into those small little bits as well. I'm going to put it right over here onto that spot cleaning mode and let it continue on its mission, because even those smaller little dust particles are going to be taken care of by the Roomba. You have something here that is going to go to work for you, making 60 decisions a second with over 40 different behaviors, adapting to its environment, whether it's carpet, tile, hardwood, linoleum, you name it. In this case, in that spot cleaning mode, it's going around for, again, about a 3-foot circle, and it will continue on that mission until it knows it's entirely clean. Notice how clean that carpet is in the areas that it has already cleaned, and then it's going to go back and grab what it hasn't cleaned already. The beauty of it is the Roomba has a mind of its own because it's a robot mind. It doesn't think like you, it doesn't think like me, because it's creating a new path. It's redefining what it means to be clean. It's giving you your time back in your day, letting you spend time with the people that you love the most. And notice that it even goes easily from the hardwood on back onto the carpet. You might have thought it was going to miss that little spot, right? No, no, no. Roomba knows where it's been and where it's going, and it keeps on there because it doesn't have a time limit, right? It's not like, okay, in 5 minutes I need to check the oven, or I need to go and put the clothes in the dryer. The Roomba only has one mission, and then when it's done, it gives you that little bell at the end, that little jingle that tells you that it has finished. And then you can decide whether you want to have it go dock. You push the dock button, or when it's done after 90 minutes, it will actually go and dock itself. Don't worry about the little pieces that have been here because the Roomba will go back to pick them up. Notice the clean carpet lines as well, and how amazing the job has been. And it really has it all.
And these are the features that make the difference when it comes to the Roomba cleaning technology. These are the advanced features. A 3-stage cleaning system. Do you have that in a traditional upright vacuum cleaner? Do you have that? Do you have dirt detection in a traditional upright vacuum cleaner? This has features that even the big bad boys that can cost, $500 don't have. This is patented technology. This has changed. This is an iconic product. This is an iconic product that has changed the way that we vacuum because we no longer have to vacuum. Now we have a robot that can do it. The robot does it better. The robot doesn't complain and say, you know what, I just really don't feel like doing this today, or it's gonna take me too long, or I don't have that kind of time. You have time because this is all it takes right there. I'm gonna vacuum my entire floor now in a matter of however long it takes because I don't have to think about it. Roomba thinks about everything. By the way, again, what you're gonna see over here in the corner is a little virtual wall. And all you do here is you take this, what you're seeing right there, it has a little switch on it. See the line? The line delineates where it will put up a virtual wall so that Roomba is not gonna cross it. But do you see how Roomba is like, sure, I can do the rug, I can do the hardwood, I can do the kitchen floor. Leah, yesterday, and I'm sure you enjoy cooking with your daughter Victoria as well. So Adriana and I got in the kitchen for making our Easter dinner, which turned out to be eggplant parmesan, right? Which is lots of different levels of mess, okay? Because when we get done, it looks like something exploded in the kitchen. But the best part
That's when you know you've got a good meal.
Exactly, but you know how filthy a kitchen floor can get. We just kept Roomba going the whole time. So the floor was constantly clean as we were putting more flour and everything else on the floor. It was gosh. I'm glad we only do this like once every holiday because we make a big mess, but it's fun, But what's not fun is having to clean.
Exactly. It's a great point that you make, Alice, because you and I are having a conversation. The Roomba's running. You and your daughter could still be cooking in the kitchen and letting the Roomba clean up that flour. You can still hear each other, and you didn't have to say, stop, wait, we need to go clean up. And so all the fun stops, right? Because now you need to go clean up in the kitchen. The thing is, you can be in the kitchen, letting Roomba do its thing, and you can still continue on enjoying your friends and family. You can still continue on pouring that glass of wine and hanging out. You can still continue on making lasagna or your Parmesan with your daughter. The beauty of it is the Roomba lets you do what you want to do. Well, it knows what it needs to do. It's making 60 decisions a second. It knows where it's been, where it's going, where it needs to go next, with 40 different behaviors. Notice how it goes right underneath that toe kick in the kitchen. Notice how it's moving right onto our little soft pad here that's by the sink in the kitchen. Notice how it goes right underneath the dishwasher. And notice how it starts to slow down. Did you see that, how it just slowed down as it approached the wall here? Because it notices, it knows what's in front of it. Remember, this isn't a vacuum cleaner. This is a robot that's acting like a vacuum cleaner, making 60 decisions a second. And those are not easy decisions, right? It's literally choosing where it's going to go next. Now, you talked about the invisible wall. One of the ways that you can use that invisible wall is in the halo mode. The halo mode creates a 20-inch diameter that is invisible, and it's coming out in a circular motion. Notice what's happening is that Roomba gets close to this little pet bowl in the water bowl. It's saying, I don't want to go by there, because that invisible wall that you're getting that's included, that's a $60 value, is blocking it invisibly from going and knocking over the dog's water bowl. So it gives you exactly what you need, whatever you needed, and you can use it in your home in so many different ways.
Use it in so many different ways, and you will use it, and you will use it every day if you want to use it. Because you know, that great big upright that you may own that you spent hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on, right? It's only as good as where you push it. If you don't feel like getting under the bed or behind this or anything else, then it's not gonna get done. Roomba takes, that's why I say, this is your upright replacement, but it cleans better because it doesn't get tired. It doesn't go, oh, I just really don't feel like going under the bed today or under that piece of furniture. Roomba's gonna do it because it's a robot, because that's the way it's programmed to do it. So if there's a lot of dog hair, it could be dog hair, it could be people hair, it could be just dust in your house. We're all enclosed in our house, which means we're using our house more than ever, which means our houses are dirtier than ever. Instead of that now, oh, I think we're about out of juice here. We might have to put a little battery up here. But you can see how it goes through and cleans up everything effortlessly. It will do this until it is finished. And then if you want to, for example, clean up some of your larger pieces, for example, it might be your little kibbles and bits over here, then it will get every single one of those bits up because it's a robot. That's the beauty of what you're getting here. You do not have to control it. You do not have to push it. You do not have to take it under the bed or anywhere else. It's programmed to do that, and you don't have to think about it. If you want to run your vacuum cleaner every day, yes, you can get up and you can push that vacuum cleaner every single day if you want to. Or you can have your home vacuumed by Roomba every day without you doing anything except pushing a button, or in this case, you can even control it through Alexa. You can control it through the app on your phone, anywhere you want to. 90 minutes of runtime now, 90 minutes. Your container for the dirt is gonna be bigger than ever. You're gonna get the virtual wall included. This is our best value for the entire year. Best value that we plan to offer for the entire rest of the year. Pick it up now. This is the time, and don't forget, we've extended our return policy in case you haven't heard. We've extended our return policy for 3 months now. 90 days you have to try it, to see how it works, and let it do its thing. Our price alone, $229.99. You save $40 off the top, but then we're also including for you that virtual wall as well, which typically is not included. So you can see over here, completely clear, cleaned up every single one of those. But then, if you want to come over here and you're thinking, yeah, but you know what, I have a rug. This is exactly what my friend said to me yesterday. She goes, oh, I can't use Roomba because I have a rug and it's got some tassels and fringe on it. Yes, you can. Roomba has new tangle-free technology, which means you don't have to worry about anything. Wires that can be down, fringe on rugs. It will go from rug to carpet. It will go to your linoleum, it will go to your tile, it will clean all of it absolutely beautifully. Do you see that this isn't going to get any tangled at all? And don't forget too, when you have a virtual wall here, it's going to stop it. So there's no chance of it going down a stair or anything else. It just doesn't do that. Do you see the technology? It's smarter than ever. Leah, this is the day with 6 flex payments that you make a decision that I don't ever have to waste my time vacuuming a floor again when I have technology like this that can do it every single day if I wanted to, and does it with dirt detection technology and things that the traditional uprights simply don't have.
Exactly. It can go places where your traditional upright doesn't go, like underneath the bed. It can give you the spot detect. It can give you a great ability to really do the job better. So to your point, Alice, you can spend your time doing other things. So whether it is picking up, the little bits and pieces when it comes to the dog food or the pet food, whether it is like around our house here where we have, a few little leftover things from our Girl Scout days, or from the baby shower with the with some of the wrappings. What's great about this, again, moving from surface to surface, it's really giving you a powerhouse on the inside. And I want to tell you, when it comes to, wow, look at that. It literally just in that path gobbled up everything except for two little bits, and it's going to come back and get those for you right now. The cool thing is that you're talking about technology here that really is state of the art. When it comes to the iRobot team, I'm more impressed with them every single time we have a phone call because they really know the technology. And what you're getting here is technology that is second to none. Remember, if it's not an iRobot, it's not a Roomba. This is the company that started it all. The technology on the inside is going to give you decisions that my little feeble mind can't even imagine. Can you imagine 60 decisions a second, not a minute, a second, so that it's deciding, I'm going to stay in this area. It has decided, not just said, okay, I'm done cleaning according to an amount of time. The dirt detect has actually decided that inside this area is completely clean. That's how it knows it's done. If that takes 5 minutes, that takes 5 minutes. If that takes 10 minutes, that takes 10 minutes. It continues on its mission. Now let's see what it's picked up. I grabbed this little black piece here in the background so that you can see the amount of dirt that this little Roomba has picked up. Here's some dirt in my hand. I'll just put it off to the side. So notice the suction power. Now I want you to see the large particles, but I also want you to see, look at this, the dust and those small particles coming out of it, the sand, all of those things that you don't see, because that's equally as dangerous. Obviously, it's going to pick up some of the bigger pieces, but it's those small little dust particles that plume when you walk into your home. It's the small little dirt that your animals will bring in from the outside. It's the things that we walk in that we're breathing. Now, the Roomba can do that work for you because now it becomes the filter for you. Now you're able to have that cleaner, healthier home every single day. And the only thing you have to do is push a button. And if you want to, you can push a button on your iPhone or on your Samsung because you can use the app that is included as well. So you have the ability here to use the app or to simply just touch the button. And again, you can see the effectiveness for yourself as I'll just distribute our pile of dirt back out and about here and let the Roomba continue on its mission. Notice, by the way, it goes from the carpet to the tile, to the hardwood. You can take it from room to room. It's going to detect what's going on around it, that side spinning brush. You can see it here sweeping everything around it. Now, right now, it's reading the area. It's deciding how big are these little pieces I need to go and tackle. How many small little bits are around here. It's actually detecting dirt. You'll see it when the blinking button comes onto the clean. And look at this, look at that. I mean, it's a huge amount of dirt that it just picked up, and you can see the path that it just made. Even after 10 years of working with the iRobot company, I continue to be so impressed every time I'm watching the Roomba in action, because every model is an improvement on the last model. Every time we want to up the ante and up the bar, so it becomes really something that is so gratifying in your home as you watch it gobble up that dirt, as you are amazed by the decisions that it's making every single second. And there it goes, back to the middle. It's not going to miss a thing. And look at the carpet lines. You can even see, again, it's amazing what the Roomba will do. And it's amazing how much time and how gratifying it feels when you walk into your home and it smells better, and it feels better, and now it knows that that job is done as well. Pretty impressive.
An incredibly impressive demonstration, because I think that is exactly what so many people have the misconception about. They think that Roomba is really for kind of in-between cleanups, right? When you see what Roomba just did, I wish we had that on a slow-mo playback. When you see the amount of dirt it is able to pick up, it is incredible. This is truly your upright replacement. This is not designed to just pick up a little bit here and a little bit there. Maybe you missed something with your big upright. This is your upright replacement. That's why you get the carpet lines. That's why you get the deep down dirt cleaning. This has features that traditional uprights don't have, like dirt detection, the ability to see it. So it knows where to stay, knows where to focus. And for example, right here, this may look like a perfectly clean carpet. It's one of my favorite demonstrations, and I've seen it done a million times, but it never ceases to amaze me. This is completely empty, okay? So all you do is you put this right back in here, and it may look clean, but what's cool about your Roomba is the fact that, well, we forgot to, does it need to be? Okay. Okay, push it twice. I thought it needed a little juice, but nope. 90 minutes of runtime now. 90 minutes. So we're gonna let it clean up this, what looks to be like a perfectly clean carpet. And you're gonna see why this is your upright replacement. Forget having an upright when you can have something that cleans your floors as good as, if not better than an upright. When you can get your closet back, because there's virtually no storage here. It is as small as about the size of a dinner plate, and about maybe 3 inches in terms of your height. Longest run time of 90 minutes, dirt detection technology. You will get edge-to-edge cleaning that you can't even get with a lot of different uprights. You will get under your furniture that you can't get with a traditional upright. And you will get the ability to have so much free time back that you're gonna love having your carpet, your home, every floor in your home vacuumed every day if you so choose to. And I think that's the most incredible part, Leah, is because it's a robot, it doesn't decide, oh, I'll do it Monday, but I don't really feel like doing it Tuesday. I'm a little tired. I don't wanna. I'd much rather go out with my friends. Look at what this was able to get that you didn't even know was there. This is the kind of cleaning that Roomba is able to do. And that's why you invest in this. You will have it year after year after year. You will have the cleanest home, because if you want to vacuum every day, Roomba will never say no. That's the best part.
Exactly. That's the best part. It doesn't sass. It doesn't have other things to do.
I don't have to do a Christmas bonus.
Exactly. It doesn't say, oh, I already did that. What's great about it is that now it's going into the docking station. So it's showing you, look at this, it's taking itself home. So what's great is that it even puts itself away. Alice, not only does it not sass, not only does it not want a bonus, but you don't even have to put it away. And then it gives you that little do-do-do-do, and it's done. And again, whether you're using the app or you're just touching the button, okay, Alice, I'm gonna work really hard here, and we're just gonna vacuum the house right now. So I just started the Roomba, and now I think I'm gonna sit down and watch some HSN and let the Roomba do all the work for me. It's just that easy to vacuum our house now.
It really is. And if you want to do that every single day, I mean, you would never do that with a traditional vacuum because it requires your involvement. It requires, an upright vacuum is only as good as where you direct it. This has technology that it knows where to go. It will stay there until that dirt is gone. Just let it do its thing. Once you get it home, you have 90 days to experience it. We're doing something special because of these are really, truly unprecedented times. So we're gonna give you 3 months to try it and experience it in your home. Vacuum every single day if you'd like to. But this is the best value, not only that you're gonna find here at HSN for the rest of the year. This is the best value anywhere in the marketplace. Not only are you getting the Roomba, but you're also gonna get your charging station. And this is where you really get tremendous value, is we're including that virtual wall for you as well. I think that's a $60 value in and of itself. So you're saving about $100 when you buy with us today. And then we give you free shipping, so we'll deliver it right to your front door. In addition to that, we're going to do 6 flex payments, so you can split that up on your credit card. But there you can see the value that we're giving you today, a $100 savings. So get it home and experience what Roomba is about. Find out why this technology has changed the way we clean our homes. This is one of those products that truly, when I started this hour, I said, it's changed the world. It's changed our worlds. It's changed our homes, because now they can be cleaner than ever without any effort on our part. And are you still just have your feet up and letting Roomba do the work for you, Leah?
You better believe it, because why would I bother? I mean, Roomba's doing all of that work for us. So whether it is hardwood, tile, linoleum, you have something that really does the work. And I love what you said, Alice, because it really is true. And I don't mean it to be overly dramatic. It is life-changing. Once you experience it for yourself, and people ask me all the time, does it really work? You're seeing it. This is our home. And I'm so glad to invite you here to hang out with us, because this is what we allow the Roomba to do, so that we can spend time with Victoria, so that we can let it go on its mission and tell us when it's done, so we can, walk Dallas and nest ourselves during this time. So this is all about making your life easier. It's about making your life more enjoyable. And it's about having that solution that gives you that cleaner, healthier home, but really does it. It does the work better. It does the work for you, so that you can spend your time with the people that you love, doing the things that you love, and you're looking at the best value, because we're also including Wi-Fi, which normally is not something that you see on this kind of a price point. The lowest price in HSN history when it comes to, the last today's special you and I did, Alice, was $279. So pretty great value here as well.
The best technology at the lowest price, and the lowest price that we intend to do for the rest of the year. So pick it up today.